All right, welcome. Today we're going to talk about taking circumference of an object. So at home, you're going to find three different objects that are round. Some of the objects that I found here in the classroom include a Tim Hortons coffee can. So it has a nice round lid, and the circumference and the diameter can be measured. You've also got a pencil sharpener here, a round pencil sharpener. I could take the top or I could use the bottom as long as the object is perfectly round. Another object that would work as well is a mug, coffee mug, because that would allow you to measure around the top and then across the diameter. What I've chosen to use is a tape roll. So the first thing you'll need to measure the circumference of a circle is either I've got a bunch of string here, or I've gone to IKEA and taken one of their nice flexible rulers. So if you have a flexible ruler, that'll be easier. For this purpose, I'll use a string. I'm going to put the string on the outside of the object, wrap it all the way around, and stop when it overlaps. I'll hold my finger there. So the circumference is this length of string here. Then I'll simply take my ruler, measure it in centimeters, just because that is the metric system. In Canada, it's easiest, so I'll put my finger on the 0, measure all the way to the end, and at the end, I'm at 40 and a half. I'm going to remember that number now. That's 40 and a half. The second thing I need to measure is the diameter, remembering that the diameter is the number or the line that goes straight across the circle. So, as I measure the diameter, I have a 40 and a half circumference, and this is about a 12 centimeter, 12.3 if I want to be exact, centimeter diameter. Okay, so now I'm going to start working on the math. Now that I've measured my object, I'll go to my next one where I have a circle, and I shall take a pen and draw a circle. So what I'm trying to do is find the line around this circle, which I already know because I measured it, and it's a little messy because I'm using a mouse here, is 40.5 or 40 and a half. Then I'm going to take my diameter, which is the line across my circle, which was 12.3, and divide my circumference by my diameter. For that, I'm going to use a calculator because this assignment is not about doing it in your head. So on my calculator, I will punch in 40.5 divided by 12.3. My answer is 3.29. I'll just pick the nearest hundredth. If you want to put in more numbers than that, you're certainly welcome to do that. So what you're going to do is choose 3 items in your house tonight that have a round base or a round top, and take the circumference using a flexible ruler or a piece of string and measuring that string and dividing the circumference by the diameter. And I want to see the pattern that you see between those two, the relationship between the circumference and the diameter.